So we are here at an apartment building in St. Louis, Missouri, and we've got this old Otis elevator that has been modernized. We've also got this very interesting pipe that goes in front of the door here. It almost looks like these are like Dover brails or something. This is actually a really small elevator. You can see it's very, very skinny. So let's go up to 6. Now that was a rather boring but kind of interesting elevator with how small it is. However, there is actually one more elevator. This. You'll have to stay tuned for another video of this elevator. So that's it.